Hey you guys, today is gonna be part 3 of my skincare routine. Okay, showing you guys the products I use in the order I do it. That is the hyaluronic acid, love my blemish and age defense. So that's kind of the basic lineup. Okay, here are my serums. I became such a serum girl. I never used to use them. And then my redness neutralizer and my holy grail sulfur mask. These are part of the regime too, you guys. You guys, I have a lot going on, I know. But I really do feel like my skin has gotten better and improved. It's all about routine, you guys, and sticking to it. And this in combination with the other video, I don't know if you saw that I did of all the supplements I take. I mean, if you do those two routinely, you're gonna have good results. You are. Again though, with my regime, I'm not saying it's gonna work for you. Everyone has different skin, but I did just want to share the products that I do use. Obviously during the day, which again was in another video when I do my glow, I talked about SPF. So during the days, obviously I do this and I fit in my SPF as well. Make sure you guys do that during the day. That's really important. I do want to point out, which everyone should know, but if they don't know, you guys always wipe off your makeup before you go to bed. I mean, come on. You know that is a huge no-no. All that debris and grease and stuck in your skin. Not good, especially if you're wearing makeup. But if you even didn't wear makeup, you have to wash your face, you guys. And I think tons and tons of water is always gonna help you. And those are just a few tips that I always live by, even though I'm not the best at drinking water. I am trying, okay? So anyways, make sure you wash your face always. Come on. So I do want to know if anyone out there has like a secret trick to having the best skin ever. No, but seriously, if you guys have something that you do that you found cleared your skin or just keeps it clear, let a girl know. So that is all for today's video, you guys. I hope you learned some things about my skincare regime and what I use. I always find it interesting to hear what people use and if it worked to help clear their acne or just improve their skin overall. I've really been geeking out about my health and my skincare lately. I want to look the best I've ever looked, because when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you look good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one, you guys.